Today we're featuring a 2015 Kia Optima EX. It's got 48,000 miles on it. It's Corsa blue in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. First thing we notice, got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock, unlock button here. And I apologize, this vehicle's got 49,000 miles on it. 49,000 miles on the Optima EX. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks like it's in really good shape. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels. Nice perforated insert here with the wood grain. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Alright. Does have the power driver's seat. Gray leather perforated insert here. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat leather. It is an automatic. It's got the wood grain trim there around the transmission. 2 power outlets, an auxiliary plug, an iPod and USB port. Dual climate controls. There's AM, FM, CD player, and the readout will be right there on the screen. Alright, got your push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, we got 49,426 miles on it. 49,426 miles. Now that we got it started, get your AM, FM display screen here. Your dual climate controls. Alright, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and your trunk space. Leather back here is in good shape. It does have the center console that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here is in good shape. Got your cargo net. And I'll step to the side so you can see the depth and just how much space you got back here. Good bit of room in this sedan. Let's go ahead and check the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Once again, it's a 2015 Kia Optima EX. 49,000 miles on it, Corsa blue in color. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.